Hello folks, how are you doing? Hope you're safe and well today. Welcome to my channel Rides with Richie. Today I'm making a video about mounting this particular ram mount on my Honda VFR800. I have been visiting a lot of forums just to check how to mount this particular phone mount or the ram mount, what you can call it as, on my VFR800. I did a lot of research about it. I couldn't find a proper information about it, and neither there were any videos about how to mount all these things on the VFR800. So I thought I'll take this privilege and make a video about the same. So this is my VFR800. I have this particular RAM stem mount which is already mounted, where I install my GPS when I'm on the trips. And in spite of this being mounted over here, there is one more location where you can mount the RAM mount, and that location is right here. I'm going to install this now on the bike, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Just to avoid your handlebar from getting scratched, I'm going to use some black tape and a pair of scissors just to cut them, and this is a 12 mm spanner to tighten the bolts. Alrighty, let's start the job. What I have to do over here is I will take a few pieces of this tape and stick them on top of each other. So a few pieces of tape so that it becomes a thick layer. There we go. I put a few pieces there. I think there are 5 or 6. Alright, so this is done. And then this one. So now we have this. What I'm going to do is, if you can see over here, I have to push it through this gap over here. So let's do this. There is a wire at the back. Make sure that you don't hook it on the wire, otherwise the wire will get damaged. So this is how this is gonna stay, exactly like this. Before you put it in this place, make sure that you put the folded tape. This is the tape which we cut. So what we are going to do is first put this tape in place so that it sticks. Yeah, that's perfect. So if you see over here the tape, alright, let's focus. Yeah, the tape is in place. It's not sticking because of the ACF50 which is on the bike. That's fine. That will be held in place with the bracket. So then slide the bracket through. Yep, exactly gonna stay this way. We'll see. It's okay, both sides. Yep. Alright, that's there. And then slide our RAM mount in place. You have to adjust it a little bit for it to stand in place, otherwise it wouldn't. And then it's always good to have 2 people to do this job so that one person can hold this in place. Washer. It's a very snug fit, but in case if you work it through, it does definitely So after some serious struggle, I managed to put this through over here, but I lost one of these washers. I don't know where it fell on the floor. I couldn't find it, so I'm going to just use the other washer which I had standby, and then I'm going to tighten these things. Because if you can see, this is sturdy as a rock. My whole bike is moving around. So while you're doing this, it's advised to add some Loctite to it so that this never comes out. So I have not added any Loctite. I've just mounted it the way it is. I should have added some Loctite, but I'm going to leave it this way, tighten it a little more, and then we'll go from there. So folks, as you can see, it's mounted super well over here. This is not gonna go anywhere. So in case if you want, you can, okay, let me put this over here and let me do this jazz again. So you can fix your RAM arm over here this way, and then you can put your phone over here. This fits exactly fine, like, you know, in case if you have your X grip or whatever, you can just fix it over here. That would not block your vision if you have a tank bag as well. The tank bag would be somewhere over here. So in case if you place the phone over here like this, I think that will give you a very good visibility. And in case if you're looking from the rider's perspective, it will not block any of the vision of your meters. And when I'm riding, my eyesight is somewhat over here. So as you can see, it is not blocking any of the odometer, tachometer or the speedometer. So make sure that you add Loctite to this. This has, like, you know, anti-vibration washers inbuilt, the plastic thingies, whatever you call them as. They shouldn't come loose, but just a suggestion. So folks, that's the installation of RAM mount on the Honda VFR800, and I will be making a few more videos about the Honda VFR800 and few other bikes. I'm just acquiring all my gadgets so that I can become better in making these videos. Thank you for your support so far, and in case if you are new to my channel, please do like, comment and subscribe. I will see you soon. Good luck, stay safe and happy riding.